I'm Kyle Montgomery. Today is Monday, May the 7th, and here's what's happening in the ACC now. The Seminoles showing off their bats against Maryland in 2 games over the weekend, with the last game of the series set for tonight. The Noles totaled 22 hits in their 10-3 win Saturday and 9-2 win on Sunday, behind a 4-hit performance from Jace Boyd and Justin Gonzalez's second grand slam of the season on Sunday. FSU tied a season best with their 10th straight win while running their home win streak over the Terps to 22 in a row. These two will hook up tonight in the series finale at 7 Eastern in a game shown live on ESPNU. Another ACC action, the number 10 Tar Heels swept Boston College while the Hurricanes swept Bethune-Cookman. The 18th ranked Wolfpack staying hot with their sweep over CSU Bakersfield to extend its current winning streak to 9 games, state's longest since 2004. Georgia Tech finished a non-conference sweep over Charlotte with a doubleheader on Sunday, and Clemson, who leads their series 2-0 over the College of Charleston, will play Game 3 today at 4 Eastern in Tigertown. And finally, with the regular season complete, the bracket is set for this year's ACC Softball Championship. The 3-day event begins Thursday, May 10th, and concludes Saturday, May the 12th. North Carolina, which will host in Chapel Hill, enters the championship as the number 1 seed after wrapping up its first regular season title since 2008. After taking 2 of 3 this past weekend from BC, they'll have a rematch with the Eagles in the first round. 20th ranked Florida State will face NC State on Thursday at 2:30 as the Noles swept the Wolfpack in the regular season. 3rd-seeded Georgia Tech gets Virginia in the opener Thursday at noon, with the Yellow Jackets seeking their 5th conference title. And finally, 4th-seeded Virginia Tech, who has 2 ACC crowns, faces Maryland Thursday night at 7:30. Thursday and Friday's games will be split between the league's regional sports network and ESPN3, and the championship game on Saturday will be on ESPN. So you can see all 7 of them on live television. I'm Kyle Montgomery. That's it for ACC Now.